So car insurance doesn't have a lot of available endorsements, but it does have a couple. One of them is called the rental car reimbursement endorsement. This is the one that will pay you if you have to rent a vehicle because your vehicle was involved in a car accident. Whether it's a single car accident or you were involved in multiple cars, when your vehicle is in the shop to be repaired because of this accident, you'll need something else to drive. So the rental car reimbursement will give you up to a certain dollar amount per day as listed on the policy for about a month's time. If you own a minivan and that was the car that was involved in the accident, you'll want to make sure that the dollar amount applied to this particular endorsement is enough to rent a similar vehicle if you'll need one of that size while your car is in the shop. This particular coverage, however, does not apply to when your vehicle is simply in the shop for just general repairs. That's something that this particular endorsement would not be able to respond to. But if your car is involved in an accident and it's going to be laid up for a few days or weeks, this could be a great endorsement for your consideration. Just make sure it's on the policy before the accident.